Hi guys, today I've got a very special video for you today. I'm in the Boeing factory. Yes, we've had a pretty cool ride while coming here. We were lip syncing in the car, and yeah, my cousin's over there, and we're about to go inside the museum. I'm gonna ask a few questions such as when is the Qatar Airways 787/9 coming out. Anyway, so I'm gonna be going around. I'll show you guys types of Boeing aircraft we'll encounter. They'll be mostly 787s and the 900s because they're the recent ones. Hey, is there an aircraft up there? I don't know, I think it's JetBlue probably. Anyway, now we're gonna be going inside and I'll be showing you everything. So cool. Now we're heading to the Boeing factory and then we're gonna grab some lunch. I've heard there are a lot of 787/9s there. Well, I think we're gonna be going to a factory later on and they're gonna be showing us the construction of the 787/9s and then we'll get to see how they're being made and what airlines are involved in. That's what's going on right now. This is a Concorde. We're like literally inside of it. It's the cockpit.
What do you do if you want?
What's first class?
This is first class.
That's not first class.
That's all. That's all.
Let's take a look at the cockpit one more time.
Wow.
It's so old. Look like the embryo. The yoke looks like the embryo.
Yeah.
Yep. This one's faster than the speed of sound, but unfortunately it burned too much fuel. The 787. Okay guys, so we're gonna be going inside the Boeing 787, one of the best aircrafts in the world, aside from the Airbus 350. This is a new type of aircraft. There's the old 747. We might be going in that one too. This is one of the most technologically advanced aircrafts. It has a very high-tech cockpit, a new type of control pad, and first class. Qatar Airways has at least like maybe 30 787s. Alright, we're gonna be going up there. I'm so excited to go inside them. I've been inside 787 before, but I'm excited to see one. This is the Boeing prototype. Alright. Hi.
Dream come true.
This is so cool. But the 787 first class is a bit more. Not like this. I love this.
Go. I'll show you. Come here. Guys. Okay. So that's the cockpit.
Very high tech.
I sit on this seat, the left seat.
But you don't fly 787.
Because I'm the captain.
But you don't fly 787.
Okay, let him see.
It's so cool. I really want to fly in here. Look at the fluffy seats. The high tech. There's the there's the control FMGS. They use these similarly for the Airbus 350. And this is like the Airbus 350 is based its design off the 787. This is so cool. guys, we just arrived at the Boeing factory in Seattle. Check these out. Every 787 of almost every airline is parked here. There's Qantas. I don't know the other ones. There's Etihad and Air New Zealand. They're so awesome. Look at them. They're so cool. I'm so excited. Hopefully we're gonna go on a tour. I'm not sure if we'll be able to use our camera in there, so I'll just take maybe a few photos and show you guys. Anyway, see you all later. The tour, they don't allow to take videos. Okay, I gotta go. That's a lot of Boeing. Alright guys, so I'm gonna give the camera back to one of my dad's friends and we're going for a tour. I'll be going to the gift shop to buy guys. So we just come back from the Boeing factory. Turns out we did see a Qatar Airways 787/9. Well, we think we did. We saw it just the tail and we assumed because it was parked in a line of 787s, the one we saw earlier. So the thing is that Boeing is, this factory is considered as a, well, it's considered as a secret because they don't want people to know what's happening. Otherwise there will be spies maybe. But the thing is that it's like their secret weapon. They don't want people to know about it. So anyway, we're at the gift shop right now and I got a 787/9 model along with the 737 MAX and a few memorabilia from Boeing. So I'm gonna be going home and we'll do an unboxing video hopefully. Anyway, see you all. That's it for the vlog today.